I want you to take this home remedy for 14 days. Only 14 days. My dear, you'll be shocked. Some men you suffer whereby your joystick is always weak. Your joystick is always soft like bread. So this home remedy, which you are going to know right now, will help you to make your joystick stiff. The same to you if you're a man, and when you go for bedtime, let me say when you're making love with your partner, you go less than 5 minutes. It means this home remedy, when you take it for 14 days, my dear, it will cleanse your body. It will bring back your stamina forever. This home recipe will cleanse your body, will give you maximum energy, will make you just stiff and strong. And by the way, don't forget, if you have ever masturbated, this is the same recipe which will bring back your performance forever. Don't forget that this home remedy, it works permanently. It means when you use it, at the end of the video, how I will tell you, it will cure your problem permanently. So I want you to follow my words, to follow this video from the beginning up the end. And guys, I always tell you, I have membership program. If you are watching this video right now on my YouTube channel, Coach Uganda, click on join, pay some little money, join my membership, start watching videos privately, start getting ideas from Coach Uganda after joining my membership, because there is silver, starter, and gold. So you can cancel anytime you feel like. After joining, you get me, guys. The same to you if you're on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. For such amazing videos, go to YouTube, look for a YouTube channel called Coach Uganda, my official YouTube channel, and subscribe. This is what you need for you to bring back your performance forever, to be a real man during bedtime, to make her to scream like a dog, whereby this will shock you. No overdose, no side effects. When you use it, expect maximum results. So right now, let us go to our preparation. I'll come back and I'll tell you more about this recipe, how to use it, and for how long you're supposed to use it at the end of the video. Now, one of our ingredients we need for this home remedy to take place is beetroot. It means you need 1 piece of beetroot, and you're going to cut it into 2 pieces, because just a half is enough. This is too big, so you need just 1 beetroot, cut it in the middle, then you get its half, guys, into 2 pieces. Then make sure that you clean this one, remove the outer parts of your beetroot. Trust me, no side effects, no overdose. You expect maximum results. If your joystick is always weak, when you go for bed competition, you finish for 2 minutes and it's always weak. So I'm sorry for you. This beetroot, this home remedy will make it stiff and strong, trust me. And besides that, you'll start lasting long in bed, because some men, you lack stamina, so you need such amazing home remedies to make it stiff, strong, and energetic. Remember, no side effects and no overdose, guys. No overdose. So from there, you're going to cut it into 2 small slices so that it's easier for you to blend. Cut it into 2 small slices for easy blending, guys. Remember, guys, my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. What about you? If you're on TikTok, Facebook, for such amazing videos, go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda YouTube channel, and subscribe. Subscribing is for free of charge. Just go and look for it on YouTube. Trust me, if you're a man, you need this home remedy to make you a real man during the time, because men, you eat badly. So if you keep on taking such amazing remedy every day at home, my dear, you won't remain the same. So first of all, you need beetroot, but please subscribe if you have never subscribed. Now we need a blender, and men, trust me, if you don't have a blender, most of my home remedies which I bring for you, you need a blender. So buy yourself a blender so that you get to know and you get to make this home remedy at home. So you need a blender, okay? In the blender, put here your cut beetroot. You get me? Put it here. You cut beetroot. Next, we need green pepper. Guys, we need green pepper. For our next ingredient, we need green pepper. And even the same, we need a half. So cut it in the middle. Okay, this is enough, as you see, guys. Green pepper. Remove this one. Remove the seeds of your green pepper. The seeds of your green pepper. Put it aside. We don't need seeds. We need only the outer part of our green pepper. Cut it into slices for easy blending. You don't have manpower. You don't go for hours in bed. You're always weak in bed. You go for 2 minutes and you say, I'm tired. Only this will wake up your vessels and you start going for hours and hours in bed, guys. Very powerful and no side effects. So bring even your green pepper here in your blender, which I told you to buy if you don't have at home. As you see, bring it here. Our next ingredient we need is lemon. You can get lemon which is yellow in color or which is green in color. Mine is yellow and green. So we need also a half of it. Okay, so you're going to cut it in the middle. Move this one, keep it aside. Then our lemon, you're going to cut it slices. Don't remove the outer parts of your lemon. Cut it into slices. Trust me, this will make you to be a real man in bed. If you go for 3 minutes, less than 5 minutes, you're not a man. So Coach Uganda is here to help you. And guys, I told you, you can join my membership. Yeah, you go to my channel, click join. There is starter, there's diamond, there's gold. So you join using any level you feel like. So this is our cut lemon. You also bring it here, as you see, guys. Bring it here. So far we have added beetroot, green pepper, and half of lemon. Lastly, we need fresh ginger. This is too big. This is too big. We need just a little piece of this ginger. Okay, it's too big. Just a little bit because ginger is very strong. This is enough, guys. Then remove the outer parts of your ginger. You get me? Then you cut your ginger into small pieces. Starting from today, you're going to be a real man during bedtime. You'll be a real man during love time. You make her to scream like a dog. This is what you have to be taking every day. So, as you see, this is our ginger, guys, as you see. We bring it here. So we need water, and this is our water. Cold, clean water, not warm water. So you bring here at least 1 glass. It's enough. As you see, 1 glass is enough, guys. We are going to blend our remedy. So, blend our remedy. Now here we go. As you see, guys, here we go. We have to filter our home recipe. Our recipe. Make sure they filter very well because we need only juice itself, guys. Very powerful home remedy and it works 100%, trust me. If you use, like I'll tell you at the end of the video, if you use for the days, I'll let you know. This is our home remedy after filtering. So you see, very interesting, and I know you love it, guys. Now bring our juice here into our glass. Now I want you to look for me natural honey. I told you guys for natural honey, I told you, go to nearby markets, local markets, shop, and buy yourself natural honey, organic natural honey. Okay? Call it natural. So we need also 1 tablespoon for this home remedy to take place, guys. Also 1 tablespoon, as you see. Bring it here. And again, we're going to mix your home remedy. Before you proceed, guys, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Invite your friends to this YouTube channel. And of course, share the video to your friends, to WhatsApp groups, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Mix very well. The preparation is done. So wait what I'm going to tell you at the end. Have you been crying? Have you been going for 2 minutes in bed, 3 minutes, less than 5 minutes? My dear, you need just 1 glass every day for 14 days. Trust me to start seeing good results after 14 days. So you need 1 glass every day. But before I proceed, my dear, I'm going to coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. What about you? I'd like to know where you come from, the name of your country. So leave the name of your country in the comment section. And if you're on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, for such amazing videos, go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda YouTube channel and subscribe. Remember, on Coach Uganda YouTube channel is the only place where you find educative videos, really real home remedies for you to improve your health. So look for Coach Uganda and subscribe. So, if you're a man, 2 minutes man, 3 minutes man, less than 5 minutes man, you need 1 glass. But if you'd like to bring back your performance, 1 glass. So you too, if you want to increase your stamina and endurance, 1 glass. Very nice, very powerful, no side effects. So I want you to take this drink every day on your empty stomach every day for less than 14 days. When you talk about empty stomach, it means you drink it before eating anything. Trust me, you won't remain the same.